Cruise lovers, Captain Jack, and we are on an excursion. Roatan. This is the little private island Mayan Key retreat. There's the ocean beach out there. We walked down from there. You take a little 5-minute boat ride over here. It wasn't too bad at all. This little cage don't have nothing, but yeah, they got a little animal rescue shelter here. Little parrot there. This one's got 2 of them in there. And it is raining. Not really pouring down, but not drizzling either. So 2 days in a row of this fun weather. And here's the monkey. You want to be on TV, monkey? Get him, monkey. I don't know, especially, oh, he's kind of shy. He went up there and hide. Everybody wants to say, oh, look at him jump up in there. Playful monkey. Yeah, look at this little darling down here. He's all by himself. Yeah. And there's a couple more birds. I think they have another area somewhere else, but this is a little area so far right on the beach. Oh, it goes way far down. Little bird. Nothing in that one. Hit paw. Okay, found some more monkeys. What in the world? Is that his nuggets or his beans? Franken beans. Ooh, there's one over there. Jackrabbiting around. Oh, what is that? That little joker's running around real fast. There he goes. Holy cow. Huh. Okay. Got some birds of prey. Get them feathers out. Everybody wants to see it. Come on. All right, well, I'll zoom back out because that looks like that's about... Got some swings here. Peacock, right? Yeah, NBC. All right, gang. Well, we'll check back with you later if we go somewhere else and see other stuff.